morning, everybody. This is very quick. I've been wanting to do this for a while. I am looking out my living room window. And you see that big white light? That is not a full moon, folks. That is the light shining into my rear window by my neighbor. When I moved here, that neighbor moved out to live with her boyfriend. It's been 3.5 years, and that light was erected to shine all night long in my rear window. It's a little hard to see because I've got a screen on my window here, but let's see if I can move up beyond the screen to show you. Let's see, folks. There you go. Maybe that's a little bit better. That is not a full moon. That is a light from my neighbor. Now, you have to understand, I live in a rural area, so it's quite a distance. But that light is shining in my rear window all night long, and nobody lives there. I wonder who's renting it. Maybe that's where the directed energy weapons are coming from. Maybe they're in that house. What do you think, folks? This is Lorraine Alternative Homesteading on Sunday, signing off for now. Let's see. One more time here. There you go.